Hello, this is David Dion from Whole Home Inspections, phxinspect.com. I just wanted to do a short video about new build inspections. I am doing an inspection on a home that was built in 2004, and my best guess is this condition has been here since build, and the homeowner probably doesn't know about this condition and will find out about it when they see my report from the buyers talking about this condition, if they decide to talk about this condition. While running HVAC, I like to run around and shoot with my little thermal imaging temperature gauge to see if there is a proper, I just want to see some hot or cold coming out of every vent. If there's a large discrepancy throughout the house, I can talk about it, or I will. But however, I just want to see that something's coming out of every vent. I'm in a laundry room right now. I shot the vent. I'm getting 115s on the heating cycle around the house. I get to the laundry, I shoot the vent quick, I'm getting 76. So I jump in the attic space again. It's in a really tight spot where you can't see anything there. And then the next step, real high-tech tool, I go to the tissue test. Tissue's not moving, there's no air flowing through that vent. So I'll be calling that, and again, this is a condition that's probably been here since the beginning of a build. Anyway, again, Dave Dion, Whole Home Inspections. See you on the next one.